Sebo X4 automatic extra, which I got from KDS. Now unfortunately this has got a blown motor. I do hope to get a motor soon for it, if one comes up cheap enough. But yeah, it's in actually quite nice condition. It's got the on-off switch. I think this might be the original cable, I'm not too sure. Got the carry handle in the back. It did have the dusting brush clip, but I took that off because there was no dusting brush with it. And just not my lens that I used to film. That's it. There we go. That's it. That's better. Right, so here it is. The hose is nice and clean. I believe this one is from 2010, I think, when Ollie came. Yeah, 2010, so it's not that old. There's lots of carbon dust around it, there's some in there. It's got a double micro filter and a K1 bag that I just bodged into it, which is because I don't have one of the proper X4 bags. I just put it in there because the other one's full of crap, and I don't really want to spend money on bags, which I might not even get this machine working again. So let's just take the brush roll out for use lots again. I've not really done this a lot. It's probably the first time it's ever been out, this brush roll, to be fair. So it's a bit fiddly. Just push it again. There we go. That's it. Just come out. So there we go. The brush roll just simply pulls out. There we go. There we go. There it is. It's nice and long, and stiff. Nice clean brush roll. So we'll just slide that back in there. That's it, like that. There we go. And that part goes on. Let me just put these not there. This part just supposed to go on. I think it's supposed to do it. I can't remember. Right, so I think you're supposed to actually put the brush roll in the end cap, like that, and then push it in. I'm not too sure. I've done this before and it was easy. Does that bit go in there? No, it doesn't look like it on it. Let's just turn it on its side, it'll be easier. This is fiddly. It's probably something simple that I'm not doing right. I don't even think it's in. There we go. I think that's in properly now. So it's in, but it's not going on. There we go. Got the brush roll there, the adjuster wheel, the little trapdoor thing. That's pretty clean underneath. Let's just show you the back quickly. Here's the back, nice and clean. We've got the wand, which the pipe just comes out of. There we go, here's the pipe, all nice and clean. I've seen one of these on eBay with that just shoved in there. It's had that bit shoved in there, and it's got the hose like that, which is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. You could probably get away with it. Well, it just flops about. You probably just shove that in there, I don't know. Anyway, there we go. It's got that. It's got the crevice tool, which looks quite nice. It's got the upholstery tool, which is fluffy. Probably still working fine. I like these upholstery tools, they're very nice. So let's just shove all these on here. That's it. There we go. Right. Let's just push it down. Right. Press the button. So that all goes on there. Sit like that. There we go. So yeah, there's the Sebo, which I've got 3. I'm not turning it on because it'll probably blow up. Well, it's already blown up, but it'll probably make some horrible noise and smells, which I don't like. Also got that DCO1 over there, which works. Nothing really wrong with it, apart from it's a tad bit wet, but it's fine. But you know, I'm selling it. I'll sell it for 20 quid with new filters and belt in it. Well, it comes with an upholstery tool, and that's it. That's all I've got with it. So there we go. There's that. Hopefully I can get a K Smith motor, chuck it in, it'll be fine. There we go. There's that Sebo X4. Please like, subscribe if you've liked the video, and bye for now.